Um, Good morning, students. We learned about sets in last class. So here we have to repeat again the what is sets. If we can definitely or decide the objects like objects like this. So if we can definitely decide and clearly decide the objects in the given collection, then that collection is known as a set, and we have to give the name of this set is A is a set of all the elements. Now already we had explained the methods. There are the two methods, listing method and rule method. In this method, first listing method. In this method, here I have if we have any list of the things that we have to count them. So this is the list, that the list we have to count. So this A is equals to that the elements is in the curly bracket, that is the set A. Set A is the element of this set A. Then again, what is this? In that elements, they have not be repeated. So all the elements more than once only, it is necessary to write the only once. So this is the listing method. Here we cannot repeat it because it never be happen to here two. So this is only once, and they are separated by the commas. That is the listing method. And the second method is the rule method. In this method, here all the elements, here we have to give the some variables like x. These are the x variable, and that is a colon line. X, what is x? X is a variable of these elements. So x belongs to n. N is what? Why n is here? So because of these numbers are the natural numbers. That's why here the x belongs to n. Then comma 1. Why we have to write here 1? Because I am taking the example from the listing method. So listing method is here because 1 is less than x. Here there is no 1, so that's why 2. 1 is less than 2, and less than x. 1 is less than x because these are complete x, and x is less than 10. Why x is less than 10? Because these are the less number of 10. So that's why we have to write here 10. So 1 less than x less than 10. Understood this method? Both the methods. First is listing method. Listing method also known as the roster method. And second is the rule method. Rule method is also known as the set builder method. So this is the complete. There are two methods of the sets. Here we have to give the name of this element. So this is A set, and this is our set A from the rule method. Now here we have to take in the example. Question number 1 from the practice set 1.1. Write the following in the roster method. So this example from the practice set 1.1. Set A, set of even natural numbers. Set of even natural number. What is set of even natural number? You know about even natural numbers. What is that? 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. These are the, give the name of this set. A equals to, you can give any variable, you can give any letters. So A is equals to set curly bracket set of even natural number. Even numbers is 2, 4, 2, 4, second example is set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. 1 to 50 prime numbers. What is prime number? You know about this. What is prime number? Prime number is what? 2 ones are 2. That divide by only ones. 2 ones are 2. 3 ones are 3. 4 is not there because we can give the table of 2. So 3 ones are 3. 7 ones are 7. 11 ones are 11. But here is not. Here the all the numbers are the odd numbers. But only one is here, that set of 2. Here we have to give the name. A is equals to set of 2. That set of 2 is a set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Then set of negative integers. What is negative integers? What is integer? Integer is negative, 0 and positive. That numbers are the integers. But here only we can take set of negative integers. So negative integers, here we have to denote the by B. Set B is equals to curly bracket negative integers -1, -2, -3 and so on. These are the negative integers. Now here next example is 7 basic sounds of a sargam. Sur. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. That is the 7 sound of the sargam. That here we give the C, denoted by C, curly bracket, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. But we can never take the repeated numbers. So give the only curly bracket is here because these are the elements. The elements are comes only once. So that's why this is the set of C. Again, question number 2. Write the following symbolic statement in words. What is the symbolic statement in words? Here we have the symbols. First we have to learn about the, what is this? 4 by 3 belongs to Q. What is the belong? That means here A is equals to some 4 by 3 in the listing method. That 4 by 3 and this is Q. So 4 by 3 in that curly bracket and give the name of Q. Q is a set. So this 4 by 3 is an element of this set. So this is 4 by 3 is belongs to Q. 4 by 3 is belongs to Q. That means 4 by 3 is an element of Q. 4 by 3 is an element of Q. That's right. So clear? Now I am taking the second example. This is also -2, but here is not belong to. That means this -2 is never be here in natural number. So 4 by 3 here -2. -2 is not an element of natural number. Obviously, because natural number is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So -2 is not an element of natural number. And here is that example from the rule method. That P is a set. P is a set of P is an odd numbers. What is P? P is an odd number. So that's why here we write by the words set P is a set of all P's. Understood? Understood all students? If you have any query, if you have any difficulty in that set, so you can call me on phone. So thank you.